Alright, I'm gonna jump back in. I changed the injectors out. I got the Deechworks 700cc injectors I'm gonna be putting in. We modified the injector cover on the passenger side to fit the turbo. So I need to take the injectors out and go over to the driver's side and take them out too. Got a little bit, some more room here. There's a couple 12mm bolts holding the fuel rail on. Should be able to get at the injectors after that. New injector harness is just going to plug into these guys. That. Pop these old guys out. Oh, we got gas. Stockings. So I'm tapping in, there's an oil fitting, or there's a little fitting, it's going to be real hard to see, but that hole right there, we pulled the 14mm bolt out and we're going to be tapping the oil drain, where the oil feed's going to be coming from there. Alright, so I got this fitting, a little crush washer. Screwing this guy in, and that's getting torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. This guy on there. Going over to the other side. I'm just gonna take off my flex fuel sensor right now because I gotta get in here. This is the injector cover on this side, and all the flex fuel stuff is kind of in the way, so I'm gonna move that. Got the I got the D-Twerks injectors in, and yeah, so I'm gonna keep moving on. All right, gonna be just trimming off this guy here. Gonna come down around this edge and just take off some of this to help for the downpipe to fit there. need to relocate the plug for the alternator, as the intercooler is sitting right here, so that's got to be changed out. All right, I'm gonna go now under the car. Gotta take off the over pipe because that's not gonna be used. Gonna be a up pipe coming from there, so get under there. Got two 14mm bolts to take off here. Front bolts out. Just replace the gaskets. Be taking off the cam plate here, the 312mm bolts. It's going to be stuck on there pretty good with some silicone sealant. There it goes. Just going to use a little parts cleaner and clean that surface. Alright, this is the new cam plate with the oil drain. There is a little ring that I'm going to put around here and also put some RTV on it before I put it on. I'm going to put a little film of RTV on the block here just to help it seal. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on this guy, on the O-ring, put it on. Alright. Just finished doing all the heat wrap on the back, covering up all the wiring. It's not the prettiest job, but I think it'll work. Forgot to film an outro, but got quite a bit done. Pretty much next video gonna be start working on the turbo, getting that all put together, and running the water lines and stuff. See if we can get into the intercooler and front mount. I may wrap it up the next video, but we'll see. And then gonna be another dyno video after that. Thanks everybody for watching, and take it easy.